Hello everyone! I'm going to show you how to complete the Story Study Multimedia project for the Story Collage. So you are completing all of your project in your independent work folder. Go to the course, go to independent work folder under content, and you'll find your name, and that's how you'll find your folder. You'll see that you have the week 17 character portrait and collage showing. You're going to click on the one that you want to do. You're only choosing one. So for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do the collage. So you're going to click open this. All right. So you'll notice there's 3 slides here. The first slide is directions. The second slide is where you'll do your collage. This third slide is where you will grade yourself. All right, so the first thing you need to do is make sure that you read the story 11 by Sandra Cisneros. To get to the text, you just simply click on the link, click right click, and you click open link, and it'll pop up in a new window. Right? After you are done reading your story 11 by Sandra Cisneros, you're going to go back to your document and you're going to start completing your project. For the story collage, you're going to be adding pictures and sometimes text to each box to show each story element. You're going to just use the template you see here. For example, in this corner, this is where you're going to put the main character, picture of the main character. This one is a secondary character. This one would be a quote. So you'll see you have to make sure that you're matching each box with the template. So I'm going to show you how to add a picture. It's up to you if you would like to add text for student choice. You can do a picture or a text, but that is your choice. So you can add whatever you would like, just has to be related to the story for these boxes. All right, so let's get started. For my sample, I'm using the story Moana. But remember, when you do your collage, you're using the story 11 by Sandra Cisneros. So I'm going to add in a picture for main character. So to add a picture, I just go to the top menu, click Insert, click Pictures, and I'm going to go, you can use stock images, but I'm going to use Bing Pictures. There seems to be a little bit more to choose from. So my main character is Moana. So I'm just going to type her in. If you are doing an 11, you might need to type in some kind of descriptor. Little girl, old woman, whatever it may be. All right, so Moana. I like this picture, I'm going to add it. Okay, sometimes pictures don't show up, and that's okay. You just need to go back and find another one. So I need to adjust this. I want this to fit within my square, so you can just size it by just adjusting the size here, fitting it into the box, pulling it over, whatever you need to do to make it fit in that square. All right, so that's what I would do. I keep doing it. And then obviously for your main character quote, you are going to put in a text, right? So to add a text, you would just click Insert, Text Box, and there you go. So one of the quotes Moana has is, "The ocean is a friend of mine." Okay, I like her. That's my main character quote. You can change the fonts if you like to by going home. You can click, find a cool, funky font. I like maybe one that fits Moana. To me, when I scroll down, I feel like this one would fit. So you can change the size, whatever you need to do to get it to fit. You can make it bold, change the color, make it your own, and you just want to put that right in there. This actually makes the text bigger. This makes it smaller. And obviously this is where you can change the color, make it your own here. Okay. So that's how you use the text box, and that's how you use the image tools. You're going to continue doing that, making sure that the main character, secondary character, images, this would be a text box, image for setting, text box for the story title and author, image for conflict, and again, your choice as an image or a text box for student choice, image for theme or life lesson, and an image or text box for your choice again. Once you are finished with your collage and it looks good to you, you're going to go to the last slide. This is where you are going to grade yourself. You get to be the teacher. So my name for today is Mrs. Mueller. All right, you obviously put your name, and based on your collage, you are going to go through and make sure that you want to try to get to the meeting. You want to get full points. So say, I feel like I did a pretty good job here. You can always make the circle bigger, whatever you would like to do. and whatever. You're going to keep going, making sure you hit all these boxes. If you've noticed that you put circles here, you can always go back and change your collage to make sure that you're getting the full points. Once I'm done with my circles, say I just add it here. I'm just doing this for fun. This isn't most accurate. I'm just showing you how to do it. Oops. And if you ever do that where you move the actual background, if you click Control Z or this button here, the undo, that just puts it right back from your last one. Right? And then here, so I'm just going to do this. And yes, I did all my boxes here. So obviously read what these say, but I just did a really quickly one for the demo. And then I'm going to tally up my points. I have 19 points. That is a little small, so you might need to widen that. And then you're going to put in some notes based on what you think you could do better if you do need to improve on anything. Okay, so just make sure you do this part. It is a part of your rubric and your grade for the project. Have fun more than anything and enjoy your project. Please let me know if you need anything at all.